You guys, so I already did number 1 for you, so I'm going to go ahead and jump to number 2. Well, 144 to the 2x plus 1 equals 12 to the 5x minus 1. Right off the bat, I know that 12 is going to work for both of these. So I'm going to pull out 144 and make it 12 to the second. And now it's going to be 12 to the second times 2x plus 1 equals 12 to the 5x minus 1. We're going to distribute that 2 to the 2x and the 1, and then you'll go from there. Pull out your exponential functions, set them equal to each other, okay? Number 3, 64 to the x equals 8 to the x plus 1. Again, luckily we know that our base can go is 8 times 8 is 64. So I'm going to pull out that 64 and make it 8 squared times x, which is actually 8 times, or 8 to the 2x equals 8 to the x minus or plus 1. We can pull out that 2x, we can pull out that x plus 1, set them equal to each other, and solve for x. I mean, I'm hoping that you can figure out that you can combine like terms and x is going to end up being 1, but go from there. 4 I'm not going to do. You're just going to pull both those out and set them equal to each other. So negative 2x equals 2 minus 3x. 6, we had a similar question like this earlier. We know that 125 can become 5 to the third. So distribute that 3 to x plus 1. So it's going to be 5 to the 3x plus 3. And then equal 5 to the 2x plus 1. Pull those pieces out and set them equal to each other. 8, we're just going to simplify 4 and make it 2 to the second. So now it's going to be 2 to the negative 2x plus 2 equals 2 to the 2x. Set those two exponential functions equal to each other. 9, pretty simple. 11, 32 to the 3x plus 10 equals 2 to the x plus 92. So I know that if we do 2 times, 2 times 16 is going to be 32. So I can do 2 to the, what's that going to be? 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me double check really fast, because it's not as high. 2 to the 5th. And so 2 to the 5th times 3x plus 10 equals 2 to the x minus or plus 92. 2 to the 5th times 3x plus 10 equals 2 to the x plus 92. And then you can multiply that 5, pull out your pieces. 14, 3 to the 4x minus 9 equals 1 over 27. So this is the first one. We're going to have to flip that 27 to make it 27 to the negative 1. I also know that if you do 3 times 3 times 3, that's going to equal 27. So you can do 3 to the third times negative 1, and then you have your pieces. 15, again, we can change that 5 or 1/5 x to 5 to the negative x. And so 5 to the negative x, and then we're going to pull out that 125 to make it 5 to the third. Pull out your pieces, and you got your answer. If you didn't understand any of that, just rewatch the video and click it through, and you have, I pretty much am giving you your pieces you're going to pull out and set equal to each other. So if you have any questions, let me know, but have a great day.